Hi, I'm Andy with Holiday Automotive. Today we're going to take a look at a 2015 Chevy Silverado 1500. Stock number is A7934. Starting right away up front, you have factory fog lamps and easy access heavy-duty tow hooks, chrome bumper and grille. A look down the passenger side, you have alloy wheels. Looking at the tread on the tires. Inside, cloth interior. Center console is fold up, making it an additional third seat, making this a six-seater. One more look down the passenger side. You have the Z71 off-road package on here. Factory trailer hitch, rear backup sensors, and a camera. Line-X spray-in bed liner keeps the bed very safe. Holiday Automotive is located on the corners of Highways 41 and 23 in Fond du Lac. We're Wisconsin's largest used truck dealer, so it's certainly worth the trip. Four-wheel drive controls, cruise, audio and Bluetooth mounted here. Full touchscreen that includes your stereo. Dual climate control. I shoot videos today because I want to make sure whether you're coming from near or far, you can see this Silverado on holidayautomotive.com. That's where you'll schedule your test drive and get a free vehicle history report provided by AutoCheck. All at holidayautomotive.com.